Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Be A Bombshell, the one stick makeup in Girl Crush by Be A Bombshell. This is what it looks like, the one stick. So it looks like it's 7.3 grams. Now basically an everything stick is something you can use. I'm gonna extend it out so you can see how much product is actually in there. And these are in scarce supply. This color specifically is really popular, but you can still get a hold of it. So a one stick would be something you would keep in your purse, and I call this actually kind of cracked, but I call the emergency makeup kit basically a unitasker like this, which would be that you'd be able to use it on your cheeks, your lips, your eyelids, and so you would have blush, lipstick, and eyeshadow, and the only thing that you would need on top of that would be a mascara, and you would be set. So this is something that if something comes up and you are without your makeup kit, you can turn to this unitasker. This one specifically is in Girl Crush, which is kind of a light pink. I'm going to show it on my hand here. So it's a nice light creamy pink. And like I said, you can use it on your eyes, on your cheeks, and on your lips. So this one's kind of pale. This one I do like. I will keep this with me in my little kit inside my purse. I never know what could be coming my way, and if I don't have makeup on, like say I don't have any blush on or I don't have any eyeshadow on, this stick actually takes care of it. It has long staying power. Like I said, it's nice and creamy. It's better on my face because my hands are a little tan, but it's a nice pink. And seeing if there's a little bit of sparkle in there. I think there is a little bit of sparkle in there. So yeah, so this would be something you just keep in your emergency kit in your purse. And like I said, this is a hard color to get a hold of, but you still can. It's basically a classy and stylish all-in-one stick. It's a makeup all-star. You can apply to eyelids, like I said, cheeks or lips for the perfect pop of color anywhere. It's a highly pigmented formula that creates a rich and luxurious looking styles. It is made in the USA and it is long lasting, and it's something I've enjoyed. I really do like this product. I use this product, you know, I kind of call it my oh crap, I forgot to put on my makeup product. I would definitely recommend checking it out, especially since you can use it in all three ways. You can actually do that with a lipstick as well. A lipstick, maybe a hot pink, you can do on your eyelids, and keep a mascara with you, ladies. Always keep a mascara with you because you never know when you need lashes. But yeah, so it goes on. It's highly pigmented. My whole hand is pink now. And yeah, it's just a great little addition to add to your makeup arsenal. I've got a few of these. This one is probably my favorite. And yeah, I would definitely check it out. Let's see if it has anything else on here. Nothing else on there. It's distributed by Be A Bombshell Cosmetics. So that's good to know. So yeah, try this out. Or don't try it out. Do what you like. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And I really hope you enjoyed watching. And yeah, be sure to try this unitasker Be A Bombshell in Girl Crush. I think you'll like it. It might become one of your favorites. And you'll always keep it with you. Alright, thanks so much for watching.